Solving systems of equations. There are three methods that you commonly use to solve systems of equations. That's substitution, elimination, and graphing. Today we're going to look at substitution. So, we're going to solve the system we have below using substitution. So our first step is to solve one equation for one variable. So we've already got just a single x in our second equation, so let's solve for that. X plus 2y equals 5. We want to get x by itself. We simply need to subtract 2y from both sides. So x is going to equal 5 minus 2y. So, our next step is going to be to substitute this solved equation into our other equation that we haven't used yet. Whenever we do that substitution, we're going to get that 2 times 5 minus 2y, because we know what x is now, x equals 5 minus 2y, so we substitute that in. We're going to plus 3y equals 7. So this is just the first equation, and we've substituted in 5 minus 2y for our x. Now we only have one variable remaining, so we're going to solve for that variable. Our first step is going to be distribution, so we get 10 minus 4y plus 3y equals 7. Next step will be combining like terms and subtracting 10 from both sides. So we get a minus y is equal to negative 3. And now if we just multiply by negative 1, we'll get y equals 3. So now we've got what y is, but this still isn't our total answer. We need to come up with what x is. So we substitute our solved variable back into one of the original equations, and then we'll solve for our x coordinate too. So if we substitute just into x plus 2y equals 5, we'll get x plus 2 times 3 equals 5. X plus 6 equals 5. If we subtract 6 from both sides, we get x is equal to negative 1. So our solution is simply negative 1, 3. So that is how you can solve systems of equations using the substitution method.